What is up guys, Stan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT slow responses. So first, head over to your ChatGPT's website and from here on the right side, click on your profile and then click on logout. After logging out, you just need to log in again to your ChatGPT, but if the problem still persists, on the right side, click on the three dots if you are using Chrome and then go to settings. And in the settings, you need to search for browsing data. And after searching the browsing data, here you will see the delete browsing data option. From here, you need to delete the cookies and other site data and cached images and file. But if you want to delete your browsing history too, you can do that too. Or you can just deselect it and then you can select these two and then click on delete data. After deleting the data, if ChatGPT still gives slow responses, you just need to open ChatGPT status in the new tab, and then you need to click on OpenAI status. This will show that if the server is facing any issues. So if the server is facing any issues, you will naturally get slow replies from ChatGPT. But if it is not, just simply restart your ChatGPT and then it will work. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.